unboxing time, guys. So I bought it from pre-loved market, and I can save around 60% from the new price because it's a Croco leather. So that's why I can save a lot of money from a pre-loved market. And it comes with the Hermes box, but not the dust bag. And this is the receipt from the owner, and let's open it, guys. So there you go, the Hermes bracelet CDC in a Croco with the palladium hardware. So it comes in the stem queue. So it was in 2013, and here's the detail. You can see the condition is still good. So if you come from 2013 to 2021, it's around almost 8 years. It comes with a stem queue, and it was made in France. And there's a defect here, but after all, it's still in a good condition. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.